Hello, this is Saint Isidro, a finca built 150 years ago on a very large plot. Today we are marketing it with a plot of 25,000 square meters. The property itself is over 1,200 square meters. It comprises of a restaurant that has covers for 100 people, many apartments and hotel, outside dining and good access, plenty of parking. What we're looking at presently is the internals of the finca, a way of bringing light into the inside of this large building. Coming round to the side, we're just going to have a look at one of the apartments. This is completely independent. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It has central heating, wooden beams, Valencian arches, kitchen area, dining, bedroom to the front, large shower room. Down the hall you have another double bedroom and a further double bedroom with ensuite. This is called La Quadra. This is one of the apartments. Continuing down the west side of the finca, we have the entrance to the hotel. You see 2 doors. One on the right is for night access. The one on the left takes you through to reception. Reception is also one end of the restaurant. We'll quickly walk down the restaurant as it is at this present moment. You can see there's a wood burner, Valencian arches, there is heating. And all the way to the other end, to the east side of the finca, which leads out to the gardens. Looking at some stock photos of the restaurant. Now this restaurant isn't just this area. You also have independent rooms which can be used for private dining, conferences, special occasions. Also we're seeing a large variety of old and antiques that were used for farming, so it also presents itself as a bit of a museum. So here's an area where you can dine up on the mezzanine. In fact, I will show you now with the video, just the layout of the other area. So coming from the restaurant, the main restaurant, we come into a hall. To the left you have the snug, this lovely room on its own with a large fireplace. Here we're looking at 3 different areas. There's one, just looked at 2, and as I earlier said, this mezzanine floor where you can have private dining. Here's another area and another area. So in total there's about 100 covers. So for 100 covers you'll need a large kitchen, and this has it. So we will be going to have a look at the kitchen now. Now one thing I haven't put in this video is there are other areas for storage, of course. There also is an area upstairs above the kitchen which isn't completely finished, but it does have a nice stone finish. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 independent bathrooms, so for maybe for ladies and gents, that could be for your staff. It doesn't have a kitchen, but it's just the bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs. Right, so we've come out of the restaurant and now we're gone upstairs into the hotel. All access to all the bedrooms are electronic. This whole area has double glazing, central heating and air conditioning. We've just seen one of the bedrooms with ensuite bathroom. This is a beautiful room with jacuzzi bath. It's also a corner room, so it has 2 aspect windows with a stone finish. They're very large rooms. So these are the stairs where we came up. Let's go up the other side of the stairs, which takes you to the rest of the hotel rooms. Blue room in front. Again, we're looking to the west of the finca. Again, large double glazing, central heating, a bath. This room looks into the middle of the finca itself. Now everything's included, all the furnishings. Literally for this price you are receiving the keys and the opportunity to open a hotel. The third room along here is a duplex, so a room with 2 floors. The upper floor with a double bed. Downstairs you have a double sofa bed and ensuite. Along the hall again, we will be going to another family room, which comprises of 2 rooms and a bathroom. Here it is. This could be 1 room, or it's 2 rooms combined, and a shower. Now, as well as that, we have then we come back out, we go back, what we see now are the barbecue area outside, but what I want to talk to you about now are the other 4 independent apartments. Now, I might not have all the videos, however, they all have at least 2 bedrooms with a kitchen and living area. Some of them have a balcony. Now they're just large homes. Now they can either be for staff, they could be sold as complete suites. You know, this is what's so fantastic about this opportunity. There's so many opportunities that can derive from this finca. Now, of course, this video has not shown you anything like the layout, so you know we can't have a clue. However, I do invite you to come have a look and have a really serious look at this opportunity. To have a property like this for sale doesn't come up very often. So please join us, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.